A civilization capable of launching probes across interstellar gulfs, across millennia of time, must be unimaginably advanced. They possess technologies and knowledge we can hardly conceive of, and yet somehow they chose to visit us, to send a message. If that's the case, why are they hiding? Why haven't they revealed themselves? Why are they sending cryptic signals instead of coming out into the open? Because the answer might lie in the very nature of our existence. According to astrophysicists, our place in the cosmos is precarious. We exist on a tiny planet orbiting a fairly average star in an unremarkable corner of the Milky Way. There are likely hundreds of billions of other solar systems, each potentially teeming with life. Yet despite the vastness of space and time, we are utterly alone, at least as far as anyone can tell. We haven't found life. We haven't received any messages. And yet that doesn't mean we aren't being watched, monitored, perhaps even guided. It's a scenario straight out of science fiction, but one increasingly gaining traction among some astronomers. The idea that we're under surveillance is compelling but unnerving. It suggests that any first contact might be on someone else's terms, which raises a chilling possibility. Are we merely a subject rather than an agent in our own cosmic story? Are we being observed as part of some grand experiment or simulation? Does our every move, every scientific breakthrough, every cultural shift, every political decision have a pair of invisible eyes watching over it? The implications are profound. Our actions, our choices, our very future might have been foreseen, orchestrated even by a power far beyond our own. The thought both excites and frightens. In the grand narrative of the universe, who is pulling the strings, and what is their purpose? Is there a greater design at play, or are we truly on our own in this cosmic ocean? The discovery of 3 Atlas has brought these existential questions to the forefront of our minds. It's a stark reminder that the universe never ceases to surprise, and that our place in it may be more intricate and less solitary than we think. Now, however intriguing these speculations might be, science compels us to stay grounded. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. While the anomalies exhibited by 3 Atlas are intriguing, they don't definitively point towards extraterrestrial technology or watchful eyes from distant star systems. Each observation, each peculiarity might have a natural explanation waiting to be uncovered. Perhaps there's a quirk of interstellar dust, an unusual chemical reaction, a previously unknown aspect of cometary activity. Science thrives on questioning, on testing, on refining our understanding of the universe. It's a process that drives us to seek not just answers, but better answers, more precise, more comprehensive. The study of 3 Atlas is still in its early stages. More data needs to be collected, more observations need to be analyzed, more hypotheses need to be tested. It's a journey that will unfold over months, years, perhaps decades. But every step we take, every piece of data we collect, brings us closer not just to 3 Atlas, but to a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. It's a testament to the insatiable curiosity that drives humanity, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our refusal to accept the unknown. And yet amidst the scientific scrutiny, there's a part of this discovery that resonates with us on a more primal level. The mere hint of the unknown, the suggestion that we might not be as solitary as we think, stirs a profound response within us. It speaks to our deepest fears and our most cherished hopes. Fear of the unknown, the apprehension of what we might find if we venture too far, if we peer too closely, is a universal human experience. It's the trepidation before a first date, the anxiety of public speaking, the unease when we encounter something we can't explain. But it's also the excitement of discovery, the thrill of the chase, the joy of learning something new. And in the case of 3 Atlas, it's a blend of these emotions, the fear of discovering something that challenges our understanding of the universe, and the hope that we might find evidence of life elsewhere in the cosmos. It's a tightrope walk between apprehension and anticipation, a dance between caution and wonder. As we learn more about 3 Atlas, we do so knowing that we're treading on uncertain ground. We are venturing into a realm where the familiar laws of physics and astronomy might not apply, where every piece of data could rewrite the rules of the universe as we know it. It's a daunting prospect, but one that also offers a unique opportunity to expand the boundaries of human knowledge. To those who find comfort in certainty, in the known laws of physics, the idea of an interstellar visitor that defies those laws can be unsettling. It challenges the foundations on which we've built our understanding of the universe. But for those who find wonder in the unknown, who delight in the mysteries of the cosmos, this is a thrilling time. Every new piece of data, every analysis, every theory adds another layer to this cosmic puzzle, bringing us closer to a solution that could redefine our place in the universe. It's a journey that we're undertaking together, a global community of scientists, astronomers, researchers, all united by a common curiosity. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, whether you're peering through a backyard telescope or analyzing data from the James Webb Space Telescope, you're part of this collective effort to understand the universe. And in that shared pursuit, we find a sense of unity, a bond that transcends national borders, cultural differences, and individual ambitions. We're all part of a story that's been unfolding for billions of years, a story that will continue long after we're gone. And as we stand here on the precipice of a new discovery, we realize that the greatest journeys are often the ones that we can't fully predict, that the most profound discoveries are often hidden beneath layers of complexity, and that the greatest mysteries sometimes have the simplest solutions. The spirit of exploration, the thirst for knowledge, the courage to confront the unknown, these are the qualities that define our species. They've driven us to explore the depths of the oceans, the heights of the atmosphere, and the frontiers of space. And they're the same qualities that will guide us as we seek to understand 3 Atlas, the interstellar visitor that's captured our collective imagination. In the quest to unravel the secrets of the cosmos, we've learned that the universe never ceases to amaze. With every new discovery, we push back the boundaries of what we think is possible, revealing the intricate tapestry of our existence in the grand scheme of the cosmos. As we look up at the stars and ponder our place in the universe, let us remember that the greatest discoveries are often the ones that challenge our perceptions and expand our understanding of the world around us. Let's embrace the unknown with a sense of wonder and a thirst for knowledge, for it's in the mysteries of the cosmos that we find the true meaning of our existence. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey of discovery. Until next time, keep looking up and keep asking questions. Who knows what wonders await us in the vast expanse of our universe? And this is where the mystery takes on a more unsettling tone. Because what if it is meant to be seen? What if Atlas is not a probe gathering data but a test? What if its purpose is not to observe us, but to reveal itself, to measure how we react? Do we panic? Do we deny? Do we investigate with curiosity? Imagine a civilization far older than ours, scattering lures through the galaxy, waiting to see which worlds respond. If you look at it that way, the strangeness becomes less a coincidence and more a strategy. A signal flare in the cosmic night asking, "Is anybody out there?" The truth is, we don't know. We may never know. Atlas will eventually move on out of range, just like Oumuamua before it, leaving behind more questions than answers. The scientific papers will pile up, theories will multiply, and the object itself will vanish into the dark. But what it leaves behind here on Earth may be more important than the object itself. A crack in our certainty, a reminder that the universe is stranger than we can imagine, and that perhaps, just perhaps, we are not alone. Because whether 3 Atlas is a freak of physics, a shard of some violent cosmic explosion, or a message in a bottle from another intelligence, its existence forces us to confront the unknown. And sometimes the unknown is the most powerful force of all. And it's not just about what we might find out there in the cosmos. It's also about what we choose to believe here at home. Because while the scientific method is a powerful tool, it's built on the foundation of what we currently understand. And what happens when that understanding is challenged? Take, for example, the recent James Webb Space Telescope discoveries of water on a potentially habitable planet. Water, a molecule we take for granted here on Earth, was once a shockingly rare find beyond our solar system. Now it's becoming more common by the day. Does this make the discovery of water less exciting? Not at all. It expands our understanding of the universe and brings us one step closer to answering the profound, "Are we alone?" question. Each piece of data, whether it confirms or challenges our existing theories, moves us forward. And in that sense, Triatla is not an anomaly, but an opportunity to refine our models, to test our assumptions, and to push the boundaries of what we think is possible. But let's be clear, this is not about dismissing the incredible feats humanity has already accomplished. From launching the first crewed rocket to landing humans on the moon, our journey into space has been nothing short of miraculous. It's a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. But it's also easy to fall into the trap of exceptionalism, of thinking that our current methods and understandings are somehow absolute, when in reality they are merely snapshots on an infinite timeline. The universe is vast and complex, and our knowledge is limited. There is so much we don't know, so many mysteries that have yet to be unraveled. And it's this realization, this humbling recognition of the unknown that drives us forward, that pushes us to explore, to discover, to innovate. So here's to the explorers of the unknown, to those who dare to ask questions that challenge the very fabric of our understanding. And here's to the pursuit of knowledge, to the relentless drive to understand the universe and our place within it. Because in the grand tapestry of the cosmos, we are all connected, all searching for answers in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. We are all connected, all searching for answers. And who knows, maybe one day we will find them. Maybe one day the mysteries that baffle us today will become the foundations of tomorrow's knowledge. Until then, let's keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep pushing the boundaries of what we think is possible. Because the universe never ceases to amaze, and neither should we. If you found this video thought-provoking, chances are you'll also enjoy our other content. With a diverse range of science and technology topics, we've got something for everyone. So click that subscribe button and join our community of over 1 million learners and doers. And for more videos like this, you might also want to check out our other content. Thanks for watching.